Hello, I'm going to show you how you can create classroom presence in your online course using Canvas discussions. The idea of instructor and classroom presence is the idea that the student feels the instructor is readily there and available during their learning journey as they go through the course. You can also use this same concept to bring classmate presence so that the student feels that their classmates are also actively part of their learning experience. In Canvas discussions, you can see that I have several here and some already have posts and replies. I'm going to go into one of my discussions and I'm going to add instructor presence by using multimedia, video, audio. You can add images. You can include videos of concepts, linked videos from other parts of the web. I'm going to go into Edit and I'm going to place the cursor where I want my video to be. I'm going to use the tool in the Canvas editor bar that is titled Record Upload Media. I'm going to record a video of myself explaining the instructions for the discussion forum. And this will be present when the student accesses the instructions to the forum. So I will start recording now. Hello class. Today we are going to discuss prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. In this discussion forum, I want you to write about the characteristics of both, and then I want you to record a video of yourself explaining what makes them different from each other. I want you to include images of both kinds of cell, and I want you to give an explanation of how they affect humans. Do they cause disease? Do they help create certain kinds of food? And then I want you to respond to two of your classmates' posts. I expect you to give thoughtful responses, and I will be grading you based on the discussion rubric for the College of St. Rose. I look forward to seeing your responses. And you can then replay it if you want. You can start over if you think you've made a mistake, and then you would title it. And then press save. And here's the media. I can also add an audio comment if I wanted to, though I prefer video. And you would add an audio comment by going to the same tool in the Canvas editor bar. And you would turn off the webcam, go to no video, and you can start recording an audio comment. Another thing I want you to do is to add an image of what the prokaryotic or eukaryotic cell helps people to make, or what kind of disease, what kind of symptoms that disease produces in the human body. And here's the audio comment, and you would record it, or title it. Okay, press save. And here you'll have an audio comment. Now, my instructions include several kinds of media, and when the student reads them, they'll be more engaged. In a discussion forum, you need to be sure to allow threaded replies, make sure it's graded, and users must post before seeing the replies of other students. That helps them to create more original posts based on what they know. Then you would press save. And now the student will have three forms of instructions, and they can go up to the rubric. You can, as an instructor, you can add the rubric, and if the student were to look at the form, they would go up here and there would be a display rubric option. So let's add a rubric. We would go to find a rubric, select College of St. Rose, and it would be the discussion participation rubric. You would press use this rubric, and here's the rubric. And the student would see this displayed once they went up to the vertical ellipsis and found the option to display rubric. Hello class. Today we are going to, okay, and here you see is the piece of media. Thanks for watching.